The first year of college feels like opening a brand new chapter in your life. But here's the truth, no one tells you most students unknowingly waste the most important year of their career. One wrong habit now, and you'll spend the next 3 years playing catch-up. This video might just save your entire college life. So pay close attention. Mistakes to avoid in first year. ACT 1. The hidden trap, don't be that cool kid. Let's start with the most common and the most deadly mistake. Trying to fit in by being cool. You join college, and suddenly it's all about Instagram stories, binge-watching Netflix till 4 a.m., and making 50 new best friends overnight. You feel popular, but are you progressing? Let me ask you this: 5 years from now, do you want to be known for your memes or your mindset? Because the truth is, those who chase popularity early often end up lost later. Still not convinced? Here's a stat. Over 70% of first-year students in India admit they regret how they spent their first year. That's not just a number. That's a wake-up call. And let's be honest, your college gang from the first semester, half of them won't even reply to your DMs by second year. Which brings us to mistake number 2. And this one's even sneakier. ACT 2. The comfort zone, your silent enemy. Let me introduce you to the most dangerous college comfort. You attend classes, well sometimes, hang out in the canteen, watch YouTube tutorials and call it productive. But you're not growing, you're surviving. And survival is not the goal, growth is. Because in just a few minutes, I'll tell you the one strategy top college students use to skyrocket their skills even without attending all classes. But first, pattern interrupt. Question. Quick question. When was the last time you did something in college that genuinely scared you? I mean, stepping into a zone where failure was possible? The best students I've met, the ones who win competitions, get placed in top firms, build startups, they all have one thing in common. They stepped into discomfort early. Don't wait for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. ACT 3. Skills? Or just studying? Here's where most students get it wrong. They treat college like a second school. Classes, notes, exams, repeat. But this isn't CBSE. This is your playground to build skills that the market actually values. Coding, content writing, designing, marketing, video editing, public speaking, take your pick. Because guess what? Your syllabus won't teach you survival in 2025's job market. AI is taking jobs, automation is replacing roles, and your degree might not be enough. Harsh? Yes, but honest. Still think that 3-hour lecture on thermodynamics is going to land you a job? Good luck explaining that to your HR. Which is why you need to make one mindset shift from grades to growth. Asterisk ACT 4. The busy illusion. You'll hear this a lot. Bhai time hai nahi milta, skill seekhne ka classes और assignments में ही मर गया. But let's break that down. 24 hours. You sleep 7. Waste 4 on your phone. Sit in class for 3. What about the rest? In a minute, I'll show you how one student from a tier 3 college used his first year to build a freelance income and how you can do the same. But before that, yes, I know your attendance is 38%. But that's not a skill. That's a stat. The best students aren't less busy. They're just more intentional. They don't scroll, they schedule. They don't watch, they work. ACT 5. Finding direction early. Let's talk long term. First year is the only time when you have space to explore without pressure. Want to learn UI by UX? Try it. Curious about coding? Take an online course. Passionate about building content? Start a YouTube channel. This is the time to experiment, fail fast, and discover what clicks. A student from Nagpur used his first year to build a habit of daily writing on LinkedIn. By third year, he was interning at a US-based startup, all because he chose progress over perfection early on. And this brings us to the final mistake, one that's invisible but incredibly dangerous. ACT 6. Thinking, I have time. The biggest lie first years tell themselves, I'll start from next semester. Spoiler alert, you won't. Because the more you delay, the harder it gets. And opportunities don't wait. Every day you delay is a day someone else is getting ahead. You're not just losing time, you're losing momentum. And without momentum, you'll always feel stuck. Imagine explaining to your 23-year-old self why you wasted your 18-year-old potential. Yeah, awkward. Your first year can either be a launch pad or you choose. Because the students who win in college and in life aren't the smartest. They're the ones who started early. So start now. Take that online course. Build that resume. Explore that new skill. Don't wait to become someone great. Start becoming them today. If this video opened your eyes even a little, hit that like button and share it with someone who's just starting their college journey. And if you want more brutally honest, no fluff videos to guide your college life, subscribe now and turn on that bell icon. Because your best self is waiting, and we're here to help you reach it.